Today I brought you one Sony projector VPL-DX100 model. Its power supply is not working. So let us open and see what is happening inside. That's a Sony projector. Okay. So unscrew all the way this below this there is screws. All the screws you take out and like this open the top will come out. Okay. So now you can see this power supply is here one, and this beneath this here one, and the other primary section is this side. So you can see the primary power here. There's nothing there but what I say, the ripple filters are connected here, many coils and something. And this goes to the power DC section. DC section is this side. You can see the main DC power filter capacitor here, and here is one secondary power here. This is the motherboard. And the processor chips are here and below this board also there is a lot of chip inside, and this lens unit is here reflecting, and the LCD everything is here. This compartment is for the light which reflects. This powerful light is here, and the fans are somewhere here. One fan is here and one fan is this side, and here also you can see one fan. So the problem is in power supply. You can check the power supply what is it. Okay. Unlike the other electronics instruments, the projector's power supply is unique. There's a lot of ripple filters and band pass filters, and many stages are there. Here you can see three stages are there, and primarily these ripple filters, many ripple filters are needed because the picture should be smooth and clear. Any ripples coming on this electricity will occur the screen triggering or something line. That's why the power supply is perfect. So in this case we already fitted every spare parts needed. The MOSFET and diodes are fitted here, and we will connect it and let me see what happens. Okay. Now the new MOSFET is fixed to this side. And one thing you have to remember here, the both side print is on this board. This board is both side printed circuit. So be careful. Must be confirmed that make sure that the connection at the top also getting perfectly. Otherwise this will not work, because from this side the print goes to the circuitry, and below also going. That is different circuits. That's why make it sure that the circuit is perfectly soldered. Okay. Okay friends, now the projector is finished the work and all fixed. It's working. You can see on the wall the reflected scene, and I didn't give any scene because I have to fix it to something later. Okay, it is working well. Everything, the voltage and the lamps, everything is good. So that much is for today. Signing off. And if interested, you please, as usual, I tell you to subscribe the channel and push the bell icon so that I will inform you whenever I put new things like this. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Okay, so guys, this projector work is over. There is many part on this power supply system. 3 stages, mainly this ripple filter and the main power because of the system was damaged. One MOSFET and one diode. It's already changed and it is in 100% working condition. So I hope that you all enjoyed this session, and in next session I will bring some other work of the projector and some kind of major work. Okay, thank you very much for watching.